Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Denise, and Ollie the Crow, and I want to welcome you, or we want to welcome you to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool. Guess what day it is? Oh, Ollie's excited. Are you guys excited for today? Do you remember what today is? You're right, it's story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. I cannot wait to read our story today. It's going to be about a cat, a big fat cat that doesn't know what to do. Yes, it's really a silly story. Okay, but before we get started, you know we have to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, that was great singing, guys. Thank you. Okay, let me grab our book really quick. This book is called Magic Thinks Big. So Magic is a cat and he thinks big. Okay, I'm going to put Ollie down so I can use both my hands to read this story. This is a fun book. I happened to find this book by accident. I was at a yard sale or a Goodwill, I think, and I found this book and I thought, oh, this looks like a fun story, and it really is. So it's called Magic Thinks Big by Elijah Cooper. Magic Thinks Big. It's all about a very large, very round cat named Magic. And guess what? This cat, he can't make up his mind what to do. But you know what? He has a great imagination. So that's what this book is going to be all about. What should Magic do? Here is the title page. Maybe these are some things that he might think about or use his imagination. A moose, maybe a dog looks like, a bear, a fish, a duck. Ooh, teeny little mouse. I wonder. Well, Magic contemplates his next move. Should he go in or out? Contemplate means, that's a big word. That word means he's wondering, he's thinking, should he stay in or should he go out? Or should he stay right where he is? I wonder what Magic's gonna do. Well, if he goes in, maybe he can convince them to feed him again. Or he could look in the fridge. Or he could wait in front of the mouse hole for a mouse. He could do all that. Maybe he should just stay in the doorway and take a nap. He's a big cat, isn't he? Of course, if he goes out, he could meet other animals. And maybe he could chase the loons. The loons, that's a kind of a bird. A bird. Oh, he could hunt them along the rock shore, stalk them through the reeds, and leap after them. And then he could eat them. He could. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe somebody else could chase the loons, and he could just watch. Who's chasing the loons? The dog. So Magic thinks maybe he'll just watch instead. But he is hungry. Maybe he could catch a salmon. Salmon is a kind of a fish. Cats love fish. The salmon would be so large that he would share it with some friendly bears. He'd get to the bears' island with the help of a moose. See, he's going to share that big salmon with the bears because bears like salmon too. He and the bears would pick blueberries before dinner. How many of you guys like blueberries? Yes, I love blueberries. One of my favorite berries. Oh, they would eat salmon and blueberry pie. The bears could clean up. He would curl up and close his eyes and listen to the wind. The world would pass him by. And when he was ready, when the shadows stretched across the lake, maybe he would ride the moose back home. I think he's got a very big imagination. Maybe not. Maybe if he stays right where he is, magic's next move will come to him. So maybe he won't do that. He's just gonna think some more. The end. Wasn't that fun? This book is actually based on a real cat. Here's a picture of the real magic right there. That is, he was a real cat, and guess how much he weighed? 18 pounds. That's a lot for a cat. And he likes blueberries and sitting by the lake. So Magic, he had a great imagination, didn't he? How many of you guys have great imaginations? Oh, you do, Ollie? Yes. What do you like to imagine sometimes? Oh, he sometimes, or not wishes, but he imagines that he can swim with the fish under the water. That's a pretty cool thing to imagine. What about you guys? What are some things that you use your imagination for? To pretend like you're somebody else, like an astronaut? Yeah, that's cool. Or maybe a doctor. That's a lot of fun too. Oh, some of you like to build. So maybe you're pretending like you're an architect. Yeah. Cool. It's fun to use your imagination, isn't it? Yeah. Magic sure did have a big imagination. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for joining me and Ollie in story time today. We're going to say goodbye. So Ollie and I are going to sing. Would you sing along with us? Okay. Are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Okay, Ollie, get ready to blow those kisses. Okay, get ready to catch. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good job, Ollie. Okay, will you guys blow kisses so Ollie can catch them? Okay, he's gonna look. Ooh, oh, there's one. Get it. Oh, there's one. Yes. Ooh, there. Oh, right down there. Good job. Oh, you're right. Over there, too. Rub them on your cheek. Thank you, guys. You have an awesome week, and we can't wait to see you next time for story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.